Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel PC Study Buddy. In today's video, we'll talk about how to apply for credential evaluation for PCE. Before starting, let's see why you need the education credentials. This process is important so that they can check whether your education has met all the requirements to be eligible to give the license to practice exam. If your entry-level education is outside Canada, you need to apply for the education credential. You can apply to Canadian Alliance of Physiotherapy Regulators. Guidelines for credentialing. They have a list of documents submitted by the applicant and the institute. Apart from the valid documents, they require entry-level physiotherapy degree, 1025 hours of supervised clinical practice, English or French proficiency test, must take approved online courses if required. English and French proficiency test. These tests are valid for 2 years. You will need to apply for academic IELTS and score an overall 7 band, or you can also apply for TOEFL where you need a minimum of 21 and an overall of 92. You can also apply a CAN test, which is an English proficiency test administered by University of Ottawa. In these tests, you need to score 4.5 in speaking and at least 4 in others. TestCAN is a French proficiency test administered by University of Ottawa. You need to score at least 4.5 in oral and 4 in others. All these scores are accepted if you receive directly from the Language Center by mail or electronically. What are the forms to be submitted for your credentials? These forms are: Form A is your Education Credential and Qualifications Assessment. Form B is the Application Checklist. Form C is Identity Document. Form D is Document Request Form. Appendix 1 is Country Specific Document Required. What are the documents needed from the applicant? The list is: Form A, Application Form. Form B, Application Checklist. Form C, Identity Document. Passport size photo with date and name at the back. This photo should not be more than 6 months old. They also require copy of supporting identity document like passport, notarized copy of entry-level physiotherapy degree, credentialing fee, credit card details, or if you're in Canada, then you can give money order or check. If there is a name change, then you will require a legal document of name change. Documents needed from the applicant's school or institute. This list is: Form D, Document Request Form, document mentioning supervised clinical practical hours, official academic record, statement of marks. All these documents need to be stamped, sealed, and directly sent from the institute. Where to send all your documents? You need to send it to Canadian Alliance of Physiotherapy Regulators, 1243 Islington Avenue, 501, Etobicoke, Ontario, M8X1Y9. You can go through their website www.alliancept.org. You can call them on 416-234-8800. You can fax them on 416-234-8820. Once all the documents are submitted and accepted by CAPR, it takes about 10 to 18 weeks depending upon the file. What's next? Once they have done with credentialing, they will let you know if you need some extra course and will also give you a list from where you can do it. And if everything meets, they will send you a letter stating the eligibility to take the PCE. You have 2 years from the date of your letter to appear PCE. You must make one attempt of PCE in these 2 years. PCE exam. It has 2 components, written and clinical component. The written component consists of 200 vignette style MCQs. You need to pass the written component to be eligible for the clinical component. The clinical component has OC stations wherein the examiner will grade you as per your performance. You have 3 attempts for each component. Contact us and follow us on our Facebook and Instagram page. Thank you and best of luck.